Let's look at this question. A 6-digit number n is formed by using the digits 0, 3, 6 and 9 only. Also, each of the 4 digits have to be used at least once. It was found that n is divisible by 18. If n is divisible by 18, the unit digit of n will be either 6 or 0. What is the hundredths digit of the smallest such 6-digit number? Okay, if you're looking for smallest such 6-digit number, let me try and fill it up. 3 will come at the leftmost spot, that is no. Now you can have 6 here or you can have 0 here. If you have 0 here, 6 will come somewhere here. Let me see, 9 has to come somewhere. I don't want 9 to come in the initial spots, and 9 cannot come in the last spot, so 9 will be here. If 9 is here and 0 is here, then 6 will have to come at one of these spots, which is not ideal. So put 6 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. This number satisfies all conditions. It is divisible by 18 or divisible by 2 and divisible by 9. And what is the hundredths digit of this number? The hundredths digit is 0. Therefore, the answer to the question will be option A, 0.